What is up, YouTube? Scotty here. Thanks for swinging by the channel. Haven't made a video in a bit. Um, just been really busy. September, October, crazy months for my wife and I. Uh, but the last video I did make was on a new wrap I got on the Hellcat. I didn't really provide any explanation when I posted that video. It was just all footage. So I just wanted to give a little bit of an explanation as to how I came up with this wrap, where I got it done, some of the considerations that had to be made and whatnot. But you know, you can see it's really not your standard wrap, not your standard design either. So take a look. Maybe it'll give you some ideas of the things you might want to do with your own cars. Thanks for watching.
Yeah, so what the heck did I do to my beautiful white Hellcat? Well, some of you may remember when I had my RT, I had a solid black stripe with red stripes on the side. I didn't want to do that same thing on the Hellcat. And I also didn't want to do the dual stripe design that you see on so many Hellcats and that comes from the factory. So I started seeing a lot of these aero type vinyl designs where I really like this because it simulates motion when you're sitting still, and especially when it outlines contours of the hood. So I saw this yellow one online, and it was very startling and close to what I wanted to do. And the guy that does this is Don from Be Distinct Graphics. I found him on Instagram, and he happens to be from Gaithersburg, Maryland, which is my hometown and which is where I still have several family members there. So the next thing I had to do is try to figure out how to get these design ideas in my head on paper. Well, one of the guys I follow on YouTube, 169 Design, happens to be really good with Photoshop. And several months ago, he posted a video called Car Chop Suey, where he asked people to send them pictures of your cars, and he would make modifications for you. So I laid out all these colors and options on a printed picture of my car, and I sent them to him, and this is what came back, which is just amazing. So then I did the same with the back. I drew out on pencil all the different colors I wanted, and he sent me back this picture. Now something didn't look right to me, and some of it was because just the picture itself, so I sent him another picture here, and he came back with this option. I didn't really like the red on the louver, so I decided to make it white, and that's what we ended up going with. Next step was to try to do the side design. So that was a hack job I did there. But then all these other options I kind of looked at online. I ended up going with this one from No Limits Car Design. The option here was whether or not I wanted the SRT, and I chose to do the SRT. So once I had all that information, I reached out to Don and I sent him the pictures and the ideas that I wanted. He said he shouldn't have any problem doing that, so we scheduled an appointment, and I brought the car down from Connecticut to Maryland.
Alright, so we're pulling up to Be Distinct Graphics, Gaithersburg, Maryland. Meeting Don. There it is. This is Don's Infinity right here. That's actually a wrap on the front. Morning, Don. Another Hellcat that he did. the man.
So you may wonder how they get such precise angles and cuts on the vinyl. They use something called knifeless tape, which is thin tape that has a metal wire in it. They lay the vinyl over top of that, and then they pull up the wire, and it makes a precise cut without having to use a razor blade. So here you can see the design on the hood where he outlined the vents. And here's the hood finished, but without the bumper. Then he did the bumper, and then the roof, and the louver in the back, which was pretty challenging also. So here's the car without the side vinyl on it. That comes next.
Obviously, it's still putting on the side. Hey Don, how you doing? Good to see you. Was I getting you trouble on the sides?
It's cool. It's just you got to do wet application.
Yeah.
It takes time to dry some areas in the road like that.
Okay. All right.
Right now, I'm letting this bottom to the sides dry a little.
Okay. Hey, is there a problem with maybe hitting rain on the way home? That's not going to be a problem with it? Okay.
Yeah, plus heated, you know, everything's
Yeah. Okay, good. So what do you think you need like another hour or so?
It depends. Like, if you
Yeah.
go really quick, like
Yeah.
I said, it's just working with the material.
Yeah. All right.
Probably say, let's do 30 minutes.
30 minutes? Okay. Boy, this looks amazing though. That's just fantastic.
Do you mind if I'm recording?
Yeah. This is my wife Val, by the way. This is Don.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Wow.
I gotta see his reaction. His birthday present.
Yeah. Oh man. That's beautiful. Very nice. Do you like it?
I love it in person.
Yeah.
So sweet. Oh my God.
1 hour later.
Yep. Wow. That looks awesome.
And they were gone. They were down the road.
That's amazing.
I'm going to throw this in the truck.
That's pretty good. There we go. There she is.
You're all giggly.
Yeah. Oh man. That is beautiful.
So you're just picking it up now?
Yep. Yep. Just picking it up. Yeah, I think it's still open. Man.
We pull him out and
Yep.
we could talk about
Okay, good. Good. All right.